So here I'm just going to teach you the basics of drawing 3D forms. Some people call these 3D shapes. I like to call them forms because a shape is flat, but a form is three-dimensional. So I'm going to start here with a sphere. So a sphere is like a ball. So we just draw a circle. And there's a few different ways to show three-dimensional spheres. Is one way you can draw a curved line through the center, and it's like a smiley face curve like that. And then I'll draw a dotted curve going around the top. So that's kind of showing that it's 3D. Now it looks like you can almost see through it to the back. The other way to draw a sphere is to draw your circle and then to add your light and your shadow. Okay, so I might draw a place where the light is hitting, and then I'll draw a cast shadow that the sphere is creating onto the surface. And now by doing that, it's looking three-dimensional as well. Cylinder. Cylinder is pretty simple. You're just going to start with a kind of a flat oval shape like that. You draw two straight lines on either side of that oval, and then on the bottom you want to make it a curved line like a smiley face, like this kind of line here. Okay? And on this one I can see the top of my cylinder. That means if I was looking at this I would be above it because I'm seeing the top of it. So I always like to think you're happy if you're above it. So therefore this line and this line are like smiley face happy lines. But if I'm below it, I'm going to be sad, okay? So sad, we would make a sad face. It would go down, sad face, and then you see the bottom there, okay? So I'm sad if I'm below it, I'm happy if I'm above it. But that's how you would make a cylinder there. A cone, you would start it like you're drawing a triangle. But instead of making a straight bottom, you're just going to make a smiley face bottom. And it's a curved line, that's all that is. So here's one way you can draw a cone. Or, if I'm below it, I'm going to be sad, right? Sad. There, I can see the bottom. If I'm happy and I'm above it, then I would make my happy face. And now I'm above it and I can see the top of it, but it's upside down. Okay, so like if you wanted to draw ice cream cone, that's how you would do it. If you wanted to draw a birthday hat, it'd be something more like this. Now a cube, so some of you may know a cube as drawing it like this. So I make two squares and then you connect all your corners. Okay, so just by doing that it makes it look three-dimensional. But this is a see-through cube. If I want to draw a cube that is not see-through, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw just a regular square. And then in every corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner, I shouldn't say every corner, in three of the corners, you're going to draw diagonal lines, okay? I'm not going to draw it in this one because I don't want it see-through. If I draw a line through it, that means it's going to be see-through. So I'm just going to draw a diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. A lot of people think this one needs to be straight here at the bottom. All three are diagonal. And then you connect them here with a vertical straight line, here with a horizontal straight line, and now I have a cube that is not see-through. And I can do it the other way as well. I could go this way. And that's how I can make a cube like that. I can even make a cube looking from underneath. There's a lot of different ways to make a cube. Okay? All right. And pyramid. So the way that I do a pyramid is I draw one long line and then I kind of make it look like a down arrow like that, and then I connect these with a diagonal and a diagonal, and usually with a pyramid I like to shade one side to show that light is coming on one side, and that's a pyramid. So here are how to draw your basic 3D forms: sphere, cylinder, cone, cube, and pyramid.